Can Analyzer is a smart scalp detector. It has multiple modes to analyze customers' scalp problems. Let the customer's scalp problem data quantification quickly. Let customers know their scalp problems and give solutions. An AI algorithm can quickly numerically quantify scalp problems, identify scalp problems and give solutions, and can automatically push out your products and service, making it easier for customers to accept our service. Register an account to log in to the scalp detection system. Enter the page background color and brand logo can be customized. Product editing, uploading and recommendation functions. Only care, treatment plans and products can be ported based on test results. Management physiotherapy service editing. Uploading and intelligent push functions. Detailed service items and time, details and steps of treatment, and physiotherapy service. Comparative picture display before and after member management. Member management system, member registration and saving. Checking member information. Comparison function between members' personal information and historical test records. You can select the member testing time to query member testing information for comparison. File part to compare, overhead, forehead, left, right, back part. Click to detect the function now. Click on any part to detect scalp. 3 light detection, white light parallel polarized light, UV light detection. Fatty acid UV deep grease and surface layer analyzer. Detection range of scalp oil sensitivity, density, thickness. The yellow area indicates the oily area, and the red area represents the sensitive area. P1 represents 1 hair, P2 represents 2 hairs, and P3 represents 3 hairs. The number of hairs can be modified manually. Red represents sensitivity. 200 time probe to check the oil scalp. Red, yellow, blue and green represent different head thicknesses. Data inspection. Results are reported with product and governance service recommendations. Comprehensive test report. Surface layer red area head thickness. powerful intelligent AI care product recommendation and service recommendation functions, analyzing chart and healthy knowledge about the scalp and hair care. The report of scalp tell us by analysis, data analysis, comparison and graphic explanation. In-depth analysis. Yellow represents scalp oil area. Red represents scalp allergic areas. Click to view the number of hairs at the follicle opening. Service and products recommendations content can be edited by you. Include the content, price, product picture. Finally, get the report to your phone or print it. Scan the code to obtain the detection data report. The QR code customer is the official follow QR code of the company's Facebook, Instagram. Has the function of printing reports. Click Print. Click to detect immediately and intelligently analyze the scalp oil condition. Promoted products and service directly obtain individual analysis reports. The report will be saved in systems and easy to check next time. Detecting and quickly get the single part checking analysis. detect different parts of overhead, forehead, left, right, back, popularization and interpretation of intelligent analysis, reports, and popular science knowledge. Use data to let customers understand their scalp conditions in more detail, including test results, popular science knowledge, recommended care products and projects. Customers scan the QR code to obtain reports fan growth. 150 and 200 time probe to check. We are proud of the system. 13.3 inches and 15.6 inches LCD screen scalp analyzer system can install in your device. It will keep updates forever for free to make our system and service better and better. We located in Shanghai, China, and welcome to visit us. Thank you for watching, and OEM and ODM is welcomed. I am David. PLS, follow us and know more details.